How are we doing, guys? My name's Henry from Silver Fox Labelling, and today I'm going to show you our Fox in a Box printer. So, if you'd like to come over, please. The Fox in a Box printer, it is our thermal label printer. You're able to print over 200 different types of labels from just the one printer. So you can do your standard patch panel labeling, which we've got on the side here, your cable wraps, your wire flags, but also you can do pipe labeling, which is on the roof there. I don't know whether you've got that on the phone. Heat shrink, tie-ons, everything, all through one printer. It comes with a high-functioning software called Labicus Innovator. So it's got all the templates preloaded onto our software. Really simple to use. If you want to import from a spreadsheet, you can. If you want to integrate with Fluke and pull from the link we're live, who are the stand next to us, you can also do that. What else can I talk about? Let's look at some of these labels. So this is one of our labels, raised profile label. You can see on the panel here. So it's showcasing here that you can import logos, you can import QR codes, multiple lines of text, etc. We also have a cool bit of kit as well, software kit called our patch panel module. Oftentimes people will have issues with their patch panel, in that the labels don't always fit. So what you can do is you can measure up your patch panel, put all the details in, the port width, number of ports per group, etc., and build a label that perfectly fits your patch panel. Super simple bit of kit, easy to use, and will save you a hell of a lot of time.